Hey, what's up, Kishu Inu coin holders? Kishu Inu is completely on the profit, my friend. As you can see here, 496% in last 1 month they will get a profit. So therefore, if they were fails down, you can see for a short time. This is, does not mean to you are starting selling. From last 7 day minus 7.58%, the price is decreased. So don't worry, my friend. I am 100% sure. So after this temporary fails, they will also take a very huge jump. Absolutely, my friend. After dump, every coin, everybody know this, my friends. To every coin will completely on the profit. But this time, my friends, the all crypto market is uncomfortable. Every coin were very badly fails down. So therefore, as you can see here, Kishu inu is also fails down. But don't worry, my friend. From last 7 days, you can see here absolutely the change occurred negative. From last 24 hour minus 7.92% fails down. But don't worry, when they will starting moving upward, my friends, I am 100% sure they will completely make a new record and give you 100% profit. I already tell you, my friend, in my previous video, this is temporary pump. Don't worry, after that they were fails down, but after this fail they will also take a very huge jump. So therefore, absolutely it's really risky coin, and absolutely it's very good for short time investor. So therefore, I just all the market advice for all short time investor. So this coin is 100% give you a profit if you invest for short time. And first of all, if you will need, my friends, to be active, if you invest in Kishu inu coin, you will need to be active every time. And then I am 100% give you guarantee, my friends, to you will get a very good profits, and every day, every hour you will get a very good profit. So kindly you will need to be active, and every time, every day, I 100% give you guarantee to you will make a very good money and crypto. So thanks for watching, Kishu inu coin holders. Kindly like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative and updates videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.